How to scan Revolut QR code 18. Revolut is a fintech company that offers digital banking services, including multi-currency accounts, international payments, crypto and stock trading, and budgeting tools, all through a mobile app. First, download Revolut application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account with email or mobile number. After opening the Revolut application, this is the home page. First thing you want to do is you want to navigate to the home screen and click on Transfer here at the bottom. Next, you're going to see in the search bar right here, where it says Name at Ref Tag, Phone, Email, this little button which looks like a QR code. So click on it. And here you can see that you can actually scan a QR code. So if someone wants you to pay them, you can simply click on My Code, and they will be able to scan your code. And by clicking on Scan, you can scan their code and easily send them money. That's it. Thanks for watching.